Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Friday, September 29th. Time is around 6:30 GMT and we will have a look at the FTSE futures on the Owanda platform. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart and actually my forecast, my analysis stays the same. Again, there are two possibilities here. I prefer the scenario in green, which says that we will get a fifth wave here, and then we turn down. So now we actually reached kind of the limits of the wave 4 area. So if we take the length of our wave 2, I'm sorry, the length of our wave 3, then we know that the wave 4 should go here into the area between the 0.146 and the 0.618 FIP retracement. So we came now quite close to this 0.618 FIP retracement. And so from now we should see if the scenario with the fifth wave plays out. We should see further upside now. And then what is very important is that we end here with divergence, this fifth wave. Because look, what is the problem now is, like, I also have a secondary scenario here as an ABC, that we had a wave W here. But now we had this quite deep wave 4 retracement. Like, this fulfills still the wave 4 requirements, actually. So we cannot exclude this as a wave 4. But at the same time, we came quite close to the wave X area, as you can see. So now look at the scenario in red. Like, if this here was a wave W in 3 waves, A, B, C, we were supposed to have a wave X, and we know that the wave X goes into the area between the zero point 0.5 and the 0.854 FIP retracement. Like, this is what usually happens. But these are also guidelines. Like, if you follow me for a while, you should know that sometimes we miss these areas, that we do not go into these areas, that we start to return just above. This can happen. And so now, as we came quite close here to this area, it might also be like, this looks like a nice WXY structure, so corrective structure. It might also be that our wave X is situated here. So that we had a shallow wave X. And if this is the case, then it might be quite dangerous to short it from here, let's say, because instead of a fifth wave, we can have another WXY structure, and we can go like way higher than we are supposed to go with a wave 5. So this is something to closely monitor, I would say. So we really need to respect this RSI here. We cannot go beyond this RSI. Also here on the, I would look on the daily. I would also look at this RSI level. We cannot go beyond this. If we do, we do not have divergence, and 5 waves end with divergence. So these are two things to watch. And then also, the structure from here can be important. Like, if we see that we are moving in in 3 but yeah, if we are moving in three, it's not an impulse, then it's not the fifth wave. But of course, like the fifth wave should be an impulse, but this impulse can then also be an A, B, C as the Y leg. So yeah, this is something to monitor here. Definitely watch your RSI. That's one thing, and then the other thing we will do is we will look at the other indices. I think they are doing now like a wave four to the upside. So that would mean that the low is not in yet. And so this wave four, the wave four and the other indices can coincide here with a wave five to the upside in the FTSE. However, if the low is in the other indices, then yeah, then this will be more than a wave five. So this is also something we will watch. We will look at what the other indices are doing. But for now, yeah, it looks like we are breaking out um, here. So, and I think also here in the 1 hour. Um, we are breaking out of this cycle here. It looks like something is forming here, although this can still become something like this. So yeah, I would now expect some more upside, and the primary expectation is that yeah, this is still a fifth wave, and that we then go down from here as a wave B, and then we can get more upside again in the later phase. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you this weekend for an analysis of the higher time frame. Have a nice day. Bye bye.